You're looking to dress up your front of the house, your front door. This light kit may be right for you. The bubble light kit shines down very bright and elegant indeed. We have here is a wall fixture, and it's a very elegant one. And it comes very well packaged. And what we're going to do is open it up, show you what you get inside the box. You're going to need a couple of tools, a little basic electric skills, and you're going to take off the actual screws here on the side. There should be 4 of them. And what you get in the box is the unit, very well protected, like I said. And you have the bracket, the hardware, and everything to install right on the unit. Everything is here for you. You have a grounding lead, you have a load, and a neutral. So what we're going to go do here is get this thing installed and show you what it looks like in a closed scenario. All your AC is off, and what you're going to go do is find a beautiful spot to hang this unit up and hang it up correctly. If the unit's a little heavy for you, a little trick is get the ground on, wrap it around a number of times, and then lock the ground down. This way what happens is the lantern is being held on and you're able to work with 2 hands. Very simple to do by hooking up the load and the neutral. You're given wire nuts. Use the wire nuts. Use some tape if you like. Do your best to gently hang the lamp. Do your best to gently hang the lamp and get the screws back in. A very, very lovely looking lamp for indoors and outdoors. Beautiful indeed. Plug in your AC. Shut the lights off. The AC is on and you have the light lit up well. What I'm going to do is shut the above light off altogether. And you can see the amount of flow, light that it throws. It throws more towards the bottom because the bottom is open and the top or the sides are more closed. So the light gets thrown to the floor, as you can see, against the wall. If you're looking for something to hang up that is beautiful in design, very easy and lovely, like so. If you have a hallway outdoor above your door, backyard, in the house, in a room, anywhere that you need to have light, you could put more than one around. These lamps, these fixtures, the bubble fixture is an excellent product indeed. I hope this is something that you're looking for to decorate your apartment, house, etc. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.